You made me a drink?
Yep.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers. But sometimes we need a little bit more space. Okay. We have 2 seats here and here.
Okay, so how do we put it together? We bought 4 of these Scorver mid-beams from IKEA. I think they're about £20 each. And we mounted those onto these wooden blocks that we've set and screwed in from front to back. We fixed this one and this mid one here, and then we bought the Leroy, I think it's pronounced that way, slats from IKEA. I think they're about £35 for a double bed, and we removed all of the tape from them, and then we glued using sticks like shit onto the frames, and we did them offset so that it actually stops this bit from coming any further forward, so that it slides well. Before we mounted it, we glued blocks of wood underneath. And it really does slide very, very easily. And that's it. It really was very, very easy. And the beauty of it is that we've got a fixed bed that we can make smaller. It gives us a load of boot space underneath, and it's really, really comfortable. So let's put the mattress back on. The mattress is a memory foam mattress that I bought. It's foam underneath with 4 inches of memory foam on the top, and I literally bought it and cut it in half. Okay. Now that the first one's in, you can see the height and where we put the bed is really important. In order to get the full width of it, we actually inset it into the window side, and then I took the memory foam mattress, cut it in half, and then shaped it around here. So we've got 4 inches of memory foam on the top, which is really comfortable. You don't notice that it's being cut, but it fits perfectly. And doing it that way, it means that we've got a 6 foot long bed.